What's up guys, Caitlin here, and I just want to give a quick review on my experience so far and the 4% going through the challenge. And let me be honest with you guys, it has changed my life. Like seriously, I'm a guy that keeps it 100. I don't like wasting my time. I'm going through product after product, trying to find success online with internet marketing, but the 4% is the real deal, especially for beginners. So if you are trying to make results, if you are trying to be successful on your online business and making money online, and you haven't heard of the 4%, you gotta dive in. You gotta take a chance and go for it. Go straight in, listen to what Vick tells you, and trust me, you'll see results. I'm on day 15 of the challenge, and I've already seen results already with just listening and doing what he tells me to do. Guys, I'm telling you, it would change your life. Right now I'm going to my 9-to-5 job, but if I stick to the 4% and the challenge, I won't be carrying this book bag no more going to my job. I'll be carrying this book bag, going to the vacation that I want, wherever I want, and forever how long I want. I'm telling you, it's going to change your life like it's changing mine already. Peace.